welcome back to Path to Wellness with Miriam. I'm so glad that you are here today. I have a Young Living unboxing for you. So last month, if you saw last month's unboxing, it was my biggest order yet. So this order is about the same amount. I wasn't really planning on it, but then I just needed lots of stuff, and so I ended up spending big again. So first up, I got some Ningxia Red. Let me get it out of this box here. This huge box, it's heavy, has 4 bottles of Ningxia Red. I got the Essential Rewards kit, which is basically a kit that you can only buy on Essential Rewards. The Ningxia Red comes out much cheaper this way. It comes out to, I think, $1.20 something per ounce, which is amazing. So Ningxia Red is an antioxidant drink. It's just full of the Ningxia wolfberry, and it's full of antioxidants. If you know anything about elderberry, the Ningxia wolfberry is like super, like it's a super elderberry, comparing it to that. So anyway, this has essential oils in here and Ningxia wolfberry and some other fruits, and it tastes delicious. I am pregnant now, so I'm planning on incorporating this into my nutrition for this pregnancy and drinking 1 to 2 ounces of Ningxia Red every single day. So each bottle is 25 ounces. So that can last anywhere from 12 to 25 days, basically. Also, as part of that kit, I got the box with the packets in here. The Ningxia Red packet is great for on the go. You just tear off the top and drink it. You can also add a straw to it if you want to give it to your kids. It's a great drink for kids as well. I won't be sharing at this point with my kids. Eventually, we may, but right now, no, just for baby and mama. Next up, I got mineral essence. I got one of these, I think, last month. And anyway, I've been trying to drink a little bit of this. I put a couple half dropperfuls in my water each day. The serving size is actually 5 half dropperfuls, but I've just been trying to make it last like the whole month, and I got another bottle because I want to buy one of these each month, hopefully, to add a lot of minerals into my nutrition. I got 2 of these Super B. My husband takes about 1 of these each day. The serving size is 2 tablets, and since I'm pregnant now and B vitamins are super important, and this has naturally occurring folate acid, folate instead of folic acid, it's super important. So I want to take 2 of those each time. Another important supplement to me is multigreens. I've taken the multigreens before. Again, the serving size is 3 capsules. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to get this every single month, so I might just take 1 or 2 capsules to make it last 2 or 3 months instead. Toothpaste. We still have quite a bit of our toothpaste, but I don't have an extra, and I don't want to run out of toothpaste and have to run to the store and buy like some, other brand that doesn't have as awesome ingredients. So I picked up another one so we would have a backup. And then I got freebies. So the first freebie is Super Cal Plus. I am super excited to have this one. It has vitamin D, K, it has calcium and magnesium in here, as well as some other ingredients such as essential oils and other things added into there. I'm really excited about this because, I haven't really taken a calcium supplement for a while, and I think that since I am making a baby and growing a little skeleton, that calcium would be pretty important to have during this pregnancy. So I'm excited to have that. I did not order any oils this month, but I did get free oils. So one free oil that I'm really excited about is cypress. I have a bottle of cypress and I've been using it, and I want to continue to use it on a more regular basis instead of just once in a while. This is just a great oil for all kinds of things, such as after workouts, and it's great for all kinds of things. I have to stay compliant, so I can't tell you everything. Another freebie is I got another bottle of purification. I'm excited about this. I'm kind of stocked up on purification for now, but this is a great one. I love diffusing it. It's a great deodorizer, so it's a great one to diffuse when the house is kind of smelly, especially after you cook fish, if you want to get that fish smell out. So I'm really excited to have more of that. I also think that it's kind of like Thieves essential oil is a good one to diffuse during the fall and winter months because it's kind of festive. Well, I think purification is more like a spring kind of scent, so I like diffusing it in the spring. Another one, Palo Santo. I got this one. I'm not sure exactly how to use this one, so I'm interested in smelling it. This is a totally new oil to me. Let's see, I'm a little congested today, but I can still smell it. I mean, it smells woody. I mean, obviously it's like a wood. It kind of almost smells like licorice to me. I don't know if I'm just smelling weird since I'm pregnant, or if it has that. It has a slight like fennel smell to it. Next one is marjoram. Now obviously this one, I think of the herb. It's in like Italian herbs blend. So this one sounds good. Like it would smell good too. Wow. Yeah. My husband is making spaghetti tonight. So yes, puts me in the mood for the spaghetti. And then last one is clove, and I have a bottle of clove. I love clove. Clove is one of my favorite oils, one of my favorite smelling oils. It's a really great one. This is Vitality, so I can take it in a capsule to help support my immune system. And that is what I really like doing, is taking clove in a capsule to just support my immune system and my overall health. And it also smells really good if you have the regular clove to diffuse in your diffuser. It's just really awesome. So I hope you enjoyed this haul, and stay tuned for my haul next month and the month after. So anyway, I am super excited about this. I'm super excited to just be giving my baby lots of nourishment and supplements with everything I have, and then also to try out these oils. So be sure to comment down below if you've tried any of these products or oils out, and if you like Ningxia Red. So I hope that you have a great day, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.